Are you ever packing and you know you're overpacking, but you're past the point you've already like committed to bringing those outfits, knowing you're not gonna wear them, but you had them for an event? Like, I don't know, what if I get stuck there and need to look cute or something?
Sin, crime, strife and danger, and everybody seem a little bit stranger. I can't seem to find my rights of way. I say it's getting harder every day, in every way. It's hard to explain how I feel, but I know the feeling is real. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the shore, dancing with the ocean like I never did before, and watch it as it come and go, cause I know that someone knows this is the life for me. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the beach, watching through the
sunglasses. It is so choppy. Just an update for you. This is the new look. Here comes Chad with his. Here we go. Beautiful GoPro video.
Say my name, my feet, so I can watch another sunrise. You know I can't deny this is the life for me, the life for me. Whenever my ship sets sail, the water be my daughter. Take it all away, leave me waiting for the slaughter. I said the fact is that this is my habitat. This is the life for me. And wherever the water runs deep, you are not alone. Look up in the sky, let the stars take you home. I said the fact is that this life is where it's at. This is the life for me. Yeah. Where you go and where you been, take me away from the world I'm in. Cause when I'm giving into all the pain and pressure and the